What's up, JL Life? So today we're under Heathen over at KIRK's Custom Shop in Rio Rancho. We're getting some custom work done. Let me show you what we're going to do. So Misty for a while has been saying she wants a new exhaust. We all know how big this muffler is, how much it attracts rocks. So we're over here again at KIRK Customs. What we're going to end up doing, we're going to be chopping off here. They're going to be installing a second resonator that is a takeoff from a Dodge Challenger. We're going to keep going up. We're going to unbolt it from up here, and we're going to run the pipe out. We'll show you when it's all done. And of course, the plan is to get the dang thing out of the way of rocks, because when we go to Moab, I don't want to be trying to cut it off on a trail. And it's going to sound good. Yay!
A little mud, huh?
she watched it before we came. It was really bad. Getting mud all over Steven, babe.
That's all good.
So removing the muffler is fairly simple. You just unbolt the ring from that section right there. Remove the two hangers on each side, there and there. You can pull it off. I know you guys are perverts for looking under Heathen's skirt. Disgusting. So we're maintaining genuine Mopar parts here. And this resonator we're putting in is off of a 2018 SRT 8 Challenger. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous that she's getting this done. I remember when I was younger with my dad and I had a 74 Dodge Charger. We were doing custom exhaust in my Charger. We used a tree and we used a tree to try to bend the exhaust. It was kind of difficult. Wish I had this. That is so much more easier than using a tree. So in order to get the resonator to fit, we obviously have to move a little bit further away from the frame. What's awesome about KIRK's Customs, he'll actually fabricate you exhaust, he'll fabricate you bumpers, he'll fabricate you body armor. You come talk to him, he'll take care of you. I'm going to show you guys something he's made recently. So here's a dual swing out bumper he made, the tire carrier. I'm assuming DON tubing?
Yes.
So heavy duty tubing. Of course, you got the custom plate on there. Don't want to be messing with your client's stuff. One side swings open, locks in place. Other side swing open, lock in place, which allows for the open of the tailgate. He also did a front bumper. Let me show you that real quick. And there it is. So if you're looking for anything custom and you're here local, Rio Rancho, Albuquerque area, come stop by KIRK's Customs MBS shop in Rio Rancho, just up the hill into Rio. Tell him what you want. I'm sure he can get something to work for you. He's very reasonable price and he will take care of you. Honest man. Of course, if two bumpers ain't your thing, not a problem. He can work beyond that. So, what are you doing? gonna go test drive it for you.
Okay, be gentle. Beep, beep.
Beep beep. I'm with you. All right, I'll be back.
Test driving my baby.
Here's my keys. So guys, I gotta test drive this thing. Freaking love it. Lost the weight of the muffler. Gained clearance from the muffler. It sounds smooth, a nice hum. You especially hear it when you get on it, but it's not obnoxiously loud. Ooh. I mean, quite honestly, guys, a resonator's a resonator. It's nothing special about a resonator. Go and find one online, buy a resonator. Get it welded in, tuck it, the tailpipe out of the way, and you're done as long as you know how to weld. Resonators are cheap. Yeah. You don't go have to spend $500 on an exhaust. And all that you have to do is just go to your local shop, get a custom welded in second resonator, and be able to have conversations with the wife and the kids in the Jeep when we're driving, and again still get to enjoy the hum. I'm really jealous. Oh. You got time to do a second one?
All right. Not a problem.
And there it is. Smoking.
All right, so real quick, we're gonna give you a drive-by of the exhaust that we got done. Here it goes. So we were out trying to do drive-bys with this exhaust. I didn't quite like the way it was sounding. Just wasn't doing it justice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go out for a ride. I got my GoPro mount underneath the hitch in the back. I'm gonna point it at the exhaust, just so you guys can see. So we got the stock resonator. The pipe goes a little bit up. We got our new skinny resonator. We bend it over the axle, and we're just spitting it out to the side. There. But we're gonna put you in here. Hi. And go for a test ride. So the back of my top is wide open, but here's how it sounds from inside from a stop. As you can see, it's not too loud. Letting off the gas now, I'm just at cruising speed. And again, you hear the hum. It's not obnoxious, it's not super loud. It's out of the way of rocks. lost some weight, gained horsepower. I like it. It wasn't expensive at all. Take it to a custom shop, bring them a resonator. No, they should be able to weld it in for pretty cheap. Here out in New Mexico, it's actually illegal to modify your exhaust. I hear nothing. Had to stop. How's a cop going to catch me? They won't. There ain't no way I'm going to get pulled over for this. Well,